noise out of that car.
Ryan Smith, that 39 machine. You called it the black and blue bruiser.
Lights on the car corner, pace car are out. We are going racing this next time by. As Jared Neal's going to bring the field around. And they're going to pick up speed. Here they come, here they come, here they come. Great flag, and we're racing.
And they'll go 3 wide in the turns 1 and 2 already.
Jared Neal was getting run over. Here we go. 3-4 wide. Whoa, Brett Garnhart on the inside. Here comes John Dietrich. So it's going to be Garnhart, Dietrich, Jared Neal, the 24 car of Logan Clausen, and Justin Wagner.
Yeah,
are your top 5.
Clausen in that 24 machine, he's right in that low side, as low as he can get it.
Remember, ladies and gentlemen, only the top 4 go to the feature for tomorrow. So right now, Justin Wagner in that 173 car is sitting on the bubble.
Right now, Dietrich, the third, trying to hold off the 24 machine of Logan Clausen. He will to the line. Garnhart in third, Wagner in fourth, Ogden now in fifth, Ken Smart. And that 722 has worked his way up to that 6th spot.
Eric, how crazy is this? We have a dirt track driver beating the Rockford Speedway drivers.
Hard and fast is Dietrich still on the lead in that 503. 24 machine of Clausen still trying to work that low side as low as he can go. Justin Wagner in that 3rd spot.
And Ryan Smith's getting ready to go down a lap in that 39 car. There he goes down a lap. Here comes Justin Wagner.
On the backstretch they go. Dietrich still trying to hold off Wagner, who's now on his backside. Clausen on that 24, still working the low hard. Ken Smart and Brett Garnhart rounding off your top 5.
So it's Dietrich. Here we go. Here comes Justin Wagner. Got one of our own Roadrunners. He's going to challenge Dietrich for the lead. It's dirt versus asphalt.
And Rick Wilson in the 1 machine making a nice little move on the 52 of Brett Garnhart.
Logan Clausen running that hard inside, off the pace a little bit there in the 24 car. But it's Dietrich, Wagner, Clausen, and Smart. No, wait a minute, it's Wilson. So the 52 car of Brett Garnhart breaking out.
And that makes it way for the 173 of Justin Wagner here to the line. Your new leader, Dietrich in 2nd, Ken Smart 3rd, 24 of Logan in 4th, and Ogden, your top 5.
Watch that 577 car. He was on the move as he moved from like 7th to 5th. Thought he was going to go for 4th, but Logan Clausen pulling away now.
Wagner, your leader, Dietrich in 2nd, Smart still in 3rd, Clausen in 4th, Ogden in 5th. Battle continues to be out front as Wagner's trying to hold off Dietrich and Smart. Clausen's got a little bit of a lead on Ogden.
So it looks like the asphalt driver is going to pull away and win this race. Maybe. It could be Rockford's own. It is. As we got a spin out over there, but we got a winner. Justin Wagner with the win. Watch out, Justin, as the 577 of Corey Ogden is facing your way. So Justin Wagner gets the win. 503 of John Dietrich in 2nd. 722 of Ken Smart in 3rd. The 24 of Logan Clausen in 4th. The 5T of Josh Thiering in 5th. So Josh Thiering running 2 brackets today, running the AAA and 4A, and Josh Thiering didn't break out that race, so that's always a good thing. Wow. What do you think, Eric?
Beautiful. Beautiful race in here. Excited for the 173 of Justin Wagner out of Beloit, Wisconsin.